What property is observed in glass? A. It is completely opaque. B. It is completely transparent. C. It is highly crystalline. D. It is a perfect solid. The correct answer is B. It is completely transparent. Which term refers to common land plants? A. Hydrophytes. B. Carnivores. C. Mesophytes. D. Xerophytes. The correct answer is C. Mesophytes. What event led to the end of the Abbasid Empire in 1258 AD, CE? A. The destruction of Baghdad by the Mongols. B. The rise of new commercial centers. C. A decline in demand for Eastern products. D. The expansion of trade routes. The correct answer is A. The destruction of Baghdad by the Mongols. What did the travel accounts provide information about regarding the Gupta age? A. Military strategies and conquests. B. Architectural styles and techniques. C. Socio-economic, religious and moral conditions. D. Daily administration routines. The correct answer is C. Socio-economic, religious and moral conditions. Besides peace, what other purpose do strong defense forces serve for India? A. Economic development. B. Cultural exchange. C. Social welfare. D. Technological advancement. The correct answer is A. Economic development. Which of the following is a harmful gas emitted by burning fossil fuels? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. O. Water vapor. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Which type of galaxy is associated with older stars? A. Cluster. B. Elliptical galaxy. C. Spiral galaxy. D. Irregular galaxy. The correct answer is B. Elliptical galaxy. What type of communication is considered very essential for the growth of commerce due to its instant nature? A. Mass communication. B. Digital communication. C. Oral communication. D. Written communication. The correct answer is C. Oral communication. How many general classes of hydrocarbons are mentioned in the text? A. 4. B. 3. C. 5. D. 2. The correct answer is A. 4. Which step in wool processing is also known as scouting? A. Shearing. B. Washing. C. Carding. D. Grading. The correct answer is B. Washing. What technological device helped the Royal Air Force inflict losses on German bombers? A. Sonar. B. X-ray machines. C. Radar. D. Infrared sensors. The correct answer is C. Radar. The pie chart explains that the amount of fresh water available for human usage is described as what? A. Moderate. B. Unlimited. C. Very large. D. Very small. The correct answer is D. Very small. What is the loss of one or more chromosomes in a ploidy called? A. Polyploidy. B. Euploidy. C. Tetraploidy. D. Aneuploidy. The correct answer is D. Aneuploidy. What did the group of people involved in craft production collect? A. Financial capital. B. Finished goods. C. Agricultural produce. D. Raw materials. The correct answer is D. Raw materials. What is one of the financial areas of interest for global monetary cooperation? A. Expanding military alliances. B. Developing space exploration programs. C. Increasing global tourism. D. Promoting high employment. The correct answer is D. Promoting high employment. Which type of seismic wave travels primarily along the ground surface? A. P waves. B. S waves. C. L waves. D. Body waves. The correct answer is C. L waves. Which city is known for a large number of auto assembly and component making firms? A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Bengaluru. D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is A. Chennai. Which month is associated with the unit, society and culture in ancient Tamizhgam, the Sangam age? A. January. B. March. C. February. D. April. The correct answer is A. January. What is the typical quantity of vitamins required by the body? A. Variable quantities depending on activity. B. Large quantities. C. Moderate quantities. D. Minute quantities. The correct answer is D. Minute quantities. Which court is specifically mentioned in the context of judges exercising functions in an unbiased manner? A. Supreme Court of India. B. High Court of Madras. C. Bombay High Court. D. Delhi District Court. The correct answer is B. High Court of Madras. Which of the following is not explicitly listed as an example of a GNSS system in the text? A. BeiDou Navigation Satellite System. B. Navstar Global Positioning System. C. GLONASS. D. QZSS, Quasi-Zenith Satellite System. The correct answer is D. QZSS, Quasi-Zenith Satellite System. What is defined as a rapid downward movement of rock, soil, and vegetation down a slope under the influence of gravity? A. Drought. B. Volcanic eruption. C. Landslide. D. Earthquake. The correct answer is C. Landslide. What is menstruation described as in the text? A. An avoidable bodily function. B. A rare physiological event. C. A sign of illness. D. A natural physiological activity. The correct answer is D. A natural physiological activity. When considering acceleration due to gravity, G, what is the primary factor causing objects to fall? A. The atmospheric pressure. B. Their inherent desire to return to the ground. C. The vacuum of space above the Earth. D. The Earth's gravitational force. The correct answer is D. The Earth's gravitational force. Which of the following cities was an important center of the Great Rebellion? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Meerut. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is C. Meerut. What is the primary function of palisade parenchyma cells? A. Photosynthesis. B. Structural support. C. Gas exchange. D. Water storage. The correct answer is A. Photosynthesis. What is transformed into other forms of energy through various components in the ecosystem? A. Mechanical energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Thermal energy. D. Solar energy. The correct answer is D. Solar energy. What is the common name for ethanoic acid in lower concentrations? A. Bleach. B. Alcohol. C. Vinegar. D. Ammonia. The correct answer is C. Vinegar. What is an example of personal communication listed in the text? A. Radio announcements. B. Newspaper articles. C. Postal services. D. Television broadcasts. The correct answer is C. Postal services. Which of the following is a characteristic symptom of myxoedema? A. Increased metabolic rate. B. Protrusion of eyeballs. C. Decreased body weight. D. Mental sluggishness. The correct answer is D. Mental sluggishness. How did you score?